The number 1 is a unique number in the Hebrew language. In this tutorial, I'll cover the awesome traits of this little bad boy and show you how to use it properly. When using any other number in Hebrew, it is mostly straightforward. You say the number, either in the masculine or in the feminine form, and then you'll say the noun. The number 1, however, sets its own rules for counting things. Have no fear though, in this video, I'll go through all the peculiarities of this intriguing phenomenon. Brought to you by Kapara Productions, let's dive straight into it. Let's start off with a basic number 1. As in all numbers, when we count in our heads, or give out our phone numbers for instance, we will always use the feminine form of numbers. Therefore, we count achat, shtaim, shalosh, and not echad, shnaim, shlosha, which is the masculine form of numbers. Let's hone in on the number 1. As I started saying earlier, the number 1 always comes after the noun, as opposed to every other number that always comes before the noun. Therefore, in the masculine form, we'll say sefer echad, but shlosha sfarim. The same exact thing happens in the feminine form, tzipor achat, eser tziporim. Please notice how in both cases, the number 1 came after the noun, while any other number comes before the noun. The number 1 has a unique trait, where many Israelis don't even feel a need to say it at all. This is similar to English, where you use the indefinite article a when you say a table and a lamp, instead of saying 1 table and 1 lamp. Obviously in Hebrew we don't have the indefinite article a, therefore we just don't say anything. Examples: Yesh li shlosha banim vebat. I have 3 sons and a daughter. By the way, it is totally fine to say vebat achat, but you really don't have to. More examples: Ani ro'a bait v'mchonit. I see a house and a car. Hayiti sham rak sha'a. I was only there for an hour. Now, let's look at other cool words in Hebrew, where the number 1 is hiding in them. The first word we'll examine is yachid and yachida. I do realize the number 1 is a little hard to detect here, but please bear with me. This is how we'll say the word only in Hebrew, in the masculine and the feminine forms. Cool side note, in English, the number 1 is also hiding in the word only. Example time. Ata היחידה בעולם שמבינה אותי. You are the only one in the world who understands me. הבית הזה הוא יחיד במינו. This house is one of a kind. זה הספר היחיד שיש לי. This is the only book I have. The word yechida in feminine can also mean a unit, such as a unit in the army. הוא היה איתי באותה יחידה בצבא. He was with me in the same unit in the army. Another word echad is hiding in is the word meyuchad in masculine or meyuchedet in feminine, meaning special. Examples: וואו, איזה שעון מיוחד. Wow, what a special watch. לילד שלי יש צרכים מיוחדים. My child has special needs. מיוחד, or special, has a cousin called bimiuchad, meaning especially. This word can be used both for masculine and feminine. Let's see how we use it. אני רוצה לנסוע לפרו, ובמיוחד למאצ'ו פיצ'ו. I want to travel to Peru, and especially to the Machu Picchu. חשוב ללמוד מתמטיקה ופיזיקה, במיוחד אם את רוצה להיות רופאה. It is important to study math and physics, especially if you want to become a doctor. Let's look at another word where the number 1 is hiding. The word yachad, meaning together, or basically meaning one with the other. Though the correct usage of the word is yachad, you'll hear many Israelis saying beyachad. Examples. בוא נלך לסרט ביחד. Let's go to the movie together. אתה רוצה לעשות את הפרויקט ביחד או בנפרד? Do you want to do the project together or separately? Now, let's look at the opposites of אף אחד and כל אחד. אף אחד can be used as no one or nobody, while כל אחד is used as everyone. Let's see them both in action. כל אחד יודע שזה נכון. Everyone knows that's correct. אף אחד לא בבית עכשיו. No one is at home now. אף אחד לא באמת יודע מה התשובה. No one truly knows the answer. Finally, let's talk about the word first. Similar to English, this word has nothing to do with how we say the number echad or achat. In Hebrew, we use the word rishon for masculine and rishona for feminine. If you look really closely, you could see the word rosh hiding in there, meaning head. If this word sounds familiar, you might know it from Rosh Hashanah, or the head of the year, meaning Jewish New Year's. Let's see how we use these words, shall we? הגעתי במקום הראשון. I came in first place. אני הראשונה בתור. I am first in line. התור שלך לרופא הוא בראשון לחודש. Your doctor's appointment is on the first of the month. We also use the word rishon to say the day of Sunday. Don't forget that in Judaism, Sunday is the first day of the week, not Monday. Therefore, we simply call Sunday Yom Rishon, or in English, the first day. That is all, guys and girls. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, yalla bye!